Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer from Google Play balance to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So first things first is we first need to know if Google Play actually has or currently supports Cash App. Well, the direct answer to that is currently Google Play does not integrate with Cash App. But the good thing about this one is we could basically use a workaround for us to transfer funds from Google Play to Cash App. So first requirement here is you need to have a bank. So in this case, we'll be transferring our balance to our bank, and once the balance is from our bank, we could go ahead and transfer that or cash it in via our Cash App account. So for you to transfer your Google Play balance to your bank account, first things first, go to Google Play Store. Then from here, click on your profile icon at the top right of your screen, and from here, choose the option that says Payments and Subscription. Now from here, you should see an option that says Google Play balance, and from there you should see an option as well that says withdraw funds. Now from there, just follow the steps for you withdraw your funds to your bank account, and from there you could go ahead and proceed on transferring it into your Cash App account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.